Hello, it's usually this time of year, the Christmas season, that I love to make some type of crescent ring, or some call it a crescent wreath. I'm gonna try out something called a spaghetti and meatball crescent wreath. Let's see what that's like. I started by cooking half a box of spaghetti and 16 frozen Italian meatballs. I'm using my pizza stone here from Pampered Chef. Growing up, we always used a Pampered Chef pizza stone and had a lot of crescent rings. You need to have 2 containers of crescent dough. You place the dough around in a sun shape. Next, I'm going to put a ring of spaghetti all the way around and nestle on some meatballs. Put on about a cup of your favorite pasta or marinara sauce and some mozzarella cheese. Time to wrap it all up. I'm going to brush the top with some garlic butter, some Parmesan cheese, and a little parsley flakes. I'm going to bake it at 375 for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Well, it actually took me about 25 minutes to cook it, but it is finished, and you serve it with some leftover marinara sauce. I'm ready to have a slice. Spaghetti and meatball crescent wreath. Absolutely scrumptious. And I just love the way a wreath looks. What do you call a wreath made out of $100 bills? Aretha Franklin's.